Hi everyone. In this install video we'll be going through some basics for installing wall wraps on a typical frame. We'll be using common staples here, but alternatively you can also install using Ametalin double-sided fixing tape attached first to the stud-work and then anchoring at the corners with staples and sticking down as you go. Start with the bottom horizontal run and tack into place at the leading edge to secure. Roll out and tack every second stud or so. Once your rod is complete, you can then return and finish securing to all your studs. Now you're ready for the second run. Place the roll over the lower run, ensuring it's to the outside so you can have a drainage plane. Always remember, you need a 150mm overlap if you're not taping and only a 50mm overlap if you intend to tape. Continue to tack this along the wall as you go. Return and finish off with the staples on every stud. Remember, end laps should be 150mm and occur over a stud so a continuous and strong install is achieved. It's also advisable to use Ametalin cap nails every 300mm to finish off the install if you're in a high wind area. Remember, end laps should be 150mm and occur over a stud, so a continuous and strong install is achieved.